Hello, I am Gajanan Namdev Savli. Today's date is 11 December 2021. Today's our discussion topic is string buffer and string builder in Java. In today's video session, we can discuss about the string buffer, what is string buffer methods, what is advantages of uses of string buffer, what is examples of string buffers, and what is string builder and these advantages in Java. So, before we have seen the string buffer and string builder in Java, we can firstly see the what is string in Java. String is a uh, string is a store the sequence of character in Java, and that can be also store the character alphanumeric value of string in a double quotes. It is also called as character of array. In Java, strings are immutable. Immutable means it cannot be changed the string value once we have initialized the object or created object. So there is many disadvantages. It can be accessed more number of memory space, and it can be reduced performance, and it cannot be updated once it created. These disadvantages can be avoided by use of the string buffer. So let's see what is string buffer. Buffer in Java is same functionality as the string, but it is differentiate. It is mutable. Means when we can create the string buffer object. This is changeable when we want. In Java, string buffer are used for the uh, when memory space and better performance are required. It is less secure as compared to string. The string buffer object is changeable, growable, and rewritable character in Java. Uh, for example, we can create the string buffer sp is equal to new string buffer Sachin, in which we want to add the or concat the true string at Tendulkar. Then we cannot be change the object. We cannot be change the object. We can be update the previous object by using the concat append method. The string buffer is string buffer as synchronized. The advantages of buffer is require less memory space as compared to string, and it is better performance as compared to string, and it is more efficient too as compared to string. The Let's see what is method used in string buffer. In a string buffer, various method is. First one we can see append method. In append method, we can be concat to string using this method. Second is insert method. Insert method means we can be insert the any character or substring in a string by using the beginning and ending index. Second is delete method. Another is reverse method, and another is the dot length method. This can be used to find the length of the string. So there is various types of methods in a string buffer in Java. Uh, let's see what is string builder. String builder means use of string builder. We can be create the mutable string. It is same as the string buffer, but difference is it can be uh, it can be non-synchronized, or string buffer are synchronized. Synchronized means it is string buffer is safe as compared to string builder. So it is also called as non-synchronized in Java string buffer. String buffer is more efficient, but when we want to multi-threading in safe way or more security, so we can be perform the this case is string buffer. So string buffers are more secure as compared to string builder. The difference between string builder and string buffer is buffer is synchronized and builder is non-synchronized. So string buffer is safe in multi-threading as compared to string builder. String builder is not safe in the less safe in the string multi-threading. Another is a string buffer is less efficient as compared to string builder, but string builder is more efficient to as compared to string buffer. The performance of buffer is less as compared to string builder. The string builder performance are better as compared to string buffer. So this is about the string buffer and string builder. Thank you.